Have you ever wondered what the future of farming could look like? It's a question worth pondering, especially as the global food supply chain grapples with the double whammy of climate change and booming population growth. But don't fret, it's not all doom and gloom. Technology is riding in like a knight in shining armor, ready to lend a hand to our hardworking farmers. We're talking about a future where farming gets a tech makeover, from soil to silo. Enter the technological revolution in farming. Imagine a network of tiny sensors embedded in the soil, constantly monitoring the health of your crops. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie, but a reality facilitated by the Internet of Things, or IoT for short. These little tech warriors provide real-time data on soil conditions, such as moisture levels, temperature, and nutrient content. This means farmers can make better, more informed decisions about when to water, fertilize, or apply pesticides, leading to more efficient use of resources. Imagine the potential savings, not just in terms of money but also in reducing environmental impact. And wouldn't you know it, these sensors can even communicate with each other, creating a smart, interconnected network beneath your very feet. But that's just the beginning of the story. From the skies above, drones are lending a helping wing. They're like our aerial detectives, capturing high-resolution images of our farmlands. These detailed snapshots reveal subtle patterns, the kind that would give Sherlock Holmes a run for his money. They let us spot signs of crop stress or disease early on, almost like a plant's cry for help. This early detection system helps farmers intervene swiftly and maintain those precious crop yields. And all this data? It's fuel for the next chapter. Artificial intelligence. More than just a fancy buzzword in the world of farming. Picture this: AI, the whiz kid of tech, crunching numbers from IoT sensors and drone images, spotting trends and making predictions. These valuable insights guide farmers in selecting the most suitable seeds, timing their planting just right, and even estimating the prime time for harvest. It's like having a crystal ball, but one that's backed by data, not magic. But wait, there's more. Farming has come a long way from the horse and plow. Today's fields are maneuvered by autonomous machinery, a game changer in precision farming. These high-tech workhorses, guided by GPS, operate independently, diligently tilling, planting, and harvesting. The benefits? Reduced labor, resource conservation, and minimized damage to delicate croplands. It's like having a tireless team of farm hands working round the clock, but with the precision of a Swiss watch. These are just some of the ways technology is shaping the future of farming. Technology doesn't replace the human touch in agriculture, it enhances it. Through real-time insights, precision farming, and autonomous machinery, we're nurturing a robust, sustainable food system. Hungry for more info on smart agriculture? Subscribe for weekly updates on this delicious topic.